How to add transition DaVinci Resolve. So if you want to go ahead and transition into a different clip using DaVinci Resolve, what you're going to do is you are going to come over to a point in the clip that you want to add a transition to. We're going to make a cut over here. All right. So you're going to cut it. And obviously you're going to make sure to properly split through. So once we have made the cut from here, you can add a transition in this section pretty seamlessly. So to add a proper transition in, what you can do is either you can add different frames into it. So you can see over here. So if you want to add a proper frame or transition into this section, what you can do is you're going to go over to the effects library. You're going to go into video transitions. Let's say I want to add a blur dissolve over here. So you can simply add a blur dissolve right in the middle like that. Look at this. So now that is a transition. So this is how you can add transitions to your clips in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.